if I have an equation of the form x plus y equals 10, so what would be the solution? Can I find a solution for this equation? I don't know x, I don't know y. Yes, I can guess. For example, if I say x equals 2, y equals to 8, then by putting these values, x plus y, we get 2 plus 8, which is 10. 10 equals 10, so equation is satisfied, so it means this is a solution. So this is one of the solution. But what about if I put x equals 3 and y equals 7? I still get 10 equals 10. So it means this is also a solution. So this equation has infinite solutions. So this equation has infinite solutions. On the other hand, if I have an equation of this form, x plus 2 equals 0. So what is the value of x which satisfies this equation? Minus 2. If I put minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So it means x equals minus 2 is the solution of this equation, because it makes equation true, 0 equals 0. But this solution is a unique solution. It is a unique solution. It has only one solution. This equation has only one solution. Only x equals 2 satisfies this equation. So in most of the cases in algebra, we are trying to find the unique solutions. So this will be our goal, to find a unique solution for the equation. Now, how can I find a unique solution? What is the requirement for a unique solution of this type of equation, which is a two-variable linear equation? These are two variables. So for this type of equation, if there are two variables, we need two equations. We must have two equations to solve, to get a unique solution for these type of equations. If, say, we have one equation, x plus y equals 10, and we have another equation which says x minus y equals 2, now we can find a unique solution. Now we have two equations and two unknowns. Two equations and two unknowns are two variables. So when the number of equation and number of unknowns are same, then we should be able to find a unique solution. Otherwise, there would be infinite solution if we have only one equation and two variables. So this you should always keep in mind, that if you have two variables, and remember that if A, B, C or any constants are used, it should be explicitly mentioned in the question. For example, if we have an equation AX plus Y equals 10 and BX minus Y equals 2, just like this equation, just like this. But now we have A and B with X. It looks like that A and B are variable, or A and B might be constants. Whatever the value of A and B is it should be explicitly mentioned in the question. So if you find that A and B are constants and they have certain values, then you can solve this equation, because there are two variables and two unknowns. But if A and B are also variables, then this equation cannot be solved, cannot get a unique solution. When we will be solving equations, sometimes we will say, oh, this equation cannot be solved. So it means that it doesn't have a unique solution. So if there are some constants, So those should be explicitly mentioned there that these are the constants. And then you should know that whether this is a solvable set of equations. So these two is also called a set of equations. Set of equations. So whether this set of equation can be solved or not. So let's take this example. Now we have a unique solution for this. I am not solving equation. There is a set procedure to reach at that solution. But at this time, I'm just telling you that because I made these questions, so I know that if x equal to 6 and y equals 4, so put x equals 6 and y equals 4 in any of these, in both of these or any of these equations, these will be satisfied. X plus y is 10 and x minus y is 2. X minus y is this 2. So it means now we have a unique solution. We have two equations and two unknowns. So the number of equations must be equal to number of unknowns to get a unique solution. I hope this makes sense.